Hello guys, Global Studio here for your SolidWorks tips and tricks. In this video we will learn how to make a cold drink cap. Without any delay, let's start this video. And also guys, please watch this video fully because I am going to tell some tricks in this video. Just because this is not a 3D model, it is a sheet metal model. So let's begin. Go to File, take New and take Part and click OK. Take the top plane and go to Circle and create a circle. Give a dimension 30 and take one more circle and create it here and give the diameter 6 and then give the distance from here, give around 17. After that click the circle, then go to circular pattern and give the quantity 25, then click OK. After that trim all the extra lines. All these lines you have to trim like this guys. After that you have to trim this. Now I trimmed all the extra lines. Now you have to fix the sketch. Just select all the sketches. You have to exclude this one. Then go to Fix and click OK. Now you have to fix this one also. Just exit the sketch. Select the top plane and go to Reference Geometry and take the plane. Create the plane above 3 mm and click OK. After that, select that plane, create the sketch, go to normal plane, then create a circle. Its dia 28 mm and then exit the sketch. Then go to lofted boss or base option. Just select the bottom sketch and then select the top circle. Then give OK. After this you have to take front plane, go to normal view. Exactly on this point you have to create one reference line, give dimension 3 and then one horizontal line, give this dimension 14 and after that one more vertical line, give this dimension 2.5 mm. After that one more horizontal line. Just join these 2 points so that you will get the collinear line here and then go to extend option and join these 2 lines. Go to trim this line and delete this extra point. Then just fix this line. Then go to fillet and select the lines, give the radius value 2.5. Just click OK. Now exit the sketch, go to revolved boss or base, select it and select the axis and click OK. Now we have to create a fillet for this. We will give the fillet for these edges. I will give the fillet value 0.05 and then select all these edges. Okay, now I selected all the edges, then just click OK. After that, go to fillet again. We have to create fillets for these edges. So give the fillet value 0.3 and then select this face. You don't have to select each edges, just select this face and click OK. Now we will hide this plane. Now we have to create a punch tool. Go to sheet metal and then select the forming tool. Just select it and select the face. Means the stopping face, you have to select this face. Then just click OK. It is created the tool now. Now we have to save this file in SolidWorks library. Go to save. Just go to C drive, program data, and go to SolidWorks. In SolidWorks 2020 design library, then forming tools, embossers. After that we will write cold drink tool. You can give any name, but I given one general name. Then just save. Okay, our tool is created now. It is in the design library. Just close the sketch and we will create one more part. Go to front plane, not front plane guys, top plane. Just create one circle. Give dimension around 60. Then go to sheet metal, base flange tab. Sheet metal parameter give 0.1 mm and click OK. After that, go to design library here, then forming tools, embossers. Here we can see our tool, cold drink tool. Just drag this on this plate. Then just flip this tool. No need to give the position and all. Just click OK. After this, go to this face, create a sketch, just select the edge and convert entities, then go to sheet metal, then extruded cut. Just click link to thickness and give OK. Okay, as you can see guys here, our cold drink cap is created now. This is the right method to model the cold drink cap, because they will make this product using punch and die. This is not a 3D model guys, this is a sheet metal model. Then we have to give some appearances. For that, go to tabs, make this render tools checked. So the render tools available for me now. Now we have to add the appearance. Go to edit decal. After that go to browse. Then go to, I have this image already, so I will select this image and I will click OK. Then just scale it. Just scale this like this and place it wherever you want. I'm placing like this. Just increase the scale and then I think this is enough. Then just give OK. After that we have to give the color here also. Just go to edit appearance and then select the face, select this face. After that you have to uncheck this one. Then we have to give the color. This red color we have to give. Give the value. This one 207 and this one 15, and this one just give 0, and then click OK. As you can see guys here, this looks cool, right? This side also you have to give. For that, go to edit option again, then select all these faces. Select all these faces. And click OK. Now you can see guys, this I given the appearances. This is the right method to draw the cold drink cup. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys learned these tricks properly. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.